Bro.
How is it?
Oh no! Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. My size come and go. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. My size come and go.
What's up, guys? So today we are going to prank Cameron. He's gonna be home soon, or Kid Hendrix. We're going to prank him with these here Pequin chilies.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Pequin peppers.
Pequin
That's what
peppers.
it is.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be a little bit hotter than jalapenos and serrano peppers. So we're about to find out.
And we're gonna tell him that these are like sweet peas or sweet something to make him want to eat it.
Let's see how it goes down.
Yeah, let's see his reaction, guys. Okay.
You're not gonna die, bro.
Try
There's
it.
milk in there. Come on.
I don't give a. Here, try it.
No.
Why? How do I know this isn't poison? I watched.
Poison.
They
bro.
taste like sweet peas.
Then taste one if it tastes like sweet peas.
I have my aligners.
If Arturo tries it, I'll try it. See, something's up if he's trying that hard not to try one.
Try it, bro.
Usually he'll be like, oh, okay. See, bro, it does.
Just
like
eat it, bro.
Which one?
It doesn't matter.
They all taste the same.
Yes.
Are you gonna get one?
This one, bro. Right there.
Here, we'll do it at the same time.
No, bro.
It must be hot. Then.
Eat it, bro. That's smaller than a jalapeno, bro. Come
Hold
on.
on, let me get milk like you said.
I'm just
What are you
waiting.
Damn.
You're taking your sweet time.
Cause y'all look suspicious as hell.
No, it's a pepper, bro.
Arturo's
A
really.
lady from work gave them to me.
Okay, then try one. Don't be disrespectful. She might be watching this.
No, I mean, I told her that I was gonna do a YouTube video about it.
So it's that good that it needs a YouTube video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe because it's hot as
Oh
hell.
my gosh, it's so tiny.
How can it be hot? Don't eat the stem.
I'm not. Why is the camera so close to me?
Because I want to see you chew it.
Isn't it?
It's just like a little poppy seed. How is it? Bro.
How is it?
Oh no! Oh my gosh. Seriously? Wow. No milk?
Try one more.
No.
I'm gonna try the red one.
No.
I mean, it's whatever. I mean, hold on.
No.
What the?
I'm just waiting for the heat. Like, one more.
What the heck?
Hold on, I'm gonna try two more. No.
Do you like a big one? That one right there, that green one. Look at this.
What are these called again, babe?
Venezuela, they're called, what is it that I said yesterday? I can't remember.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no.
Wow.
What were they supposed to do?
They're supposed
Cameron,
to be
you're
hot.
sweating, bro.
I was already sweating.
Bro, I'm gonna eat one. Just because this man just ate like 5 of them.
I guess because I got used to eating jalapenos, like by himself.
Mm.
I'm just eating them like a snack.
The one that I just tasted was a little spicy. I mean,
It just burns your throat. But it's not like James hype. Like that. It gives you that little Spice. Just burns the back of my tongue.
I thought they were gonna be like really hot.
No, I'm not gonna lie now. My hot. I feel that.
Milk.
Ah! It burns on the back of my cheek.
Oh my god.
Get 7 more. I did it.
I'm good though.
Do it. Do it for the choo choo. Oh no. Really? Bro? Oh goodness. Give him some milk.
So they got an after effect, huh?
I don't know, but I ain't ate nothing. I didn't start feeling until I drank the milk.
They said to drink a little bit of hot water.
You're a liar.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh no. Oh
Okay, so they still got a kick. Good.
Hot.
no.
Ah!
Oh. And you were just talking about I ain't no James.
Oh, bro. Oh, no.
Hot. I burned. Arturo, eat 7 with me.
Let's see how bad it could really get. So that's 1.
No, that's 2.
Come on, do a whole handful like he did.
Yeah, you eat 5 at the same time. No, 6. It keeps coming back.
Alright, it's starting to burn.
Come on.
I told you.
Come
Go.
on.
Burns. But it got down. It's down a little.
Goodness.
But just like my saliva tastes like something. I put all my money on.
Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs?
Not yet.
Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs?
Like other peppers, it'll be hot right then and there. This one you can just chew, it's sweet. And then like I was out talking and just it kind of still burns my back of my tongue.
Oh, hell no!
Alright. Yeah, it's burning my tongue.
Their tongues are on fire. Their tongues are on fire. Their tongues are on fire.
Alright, take out your lighters and you try it. Just start eating them. Challenge.
No,
See?
thank you. I'm
See?
seeing y'all right now. I don't want to be a part of that.
No,
I
you-
already did the Serrano
No,
Pepper Challenge. I'm not doing this.
Wait, me, Arturo, and Jimmy.
We should make James do this. So it seems like you came down from the heat pretty fast.
Me?
Like faster than Cameron did.
It's gonna hit them because it took a while for me to get mine fully function. But watch. Oh, and I didn't drink milk right away.
True. This is the best. I knew you were in trouble the minute I saw that sweat start to drop. I was just like, boy, you sweating. You're like, no, I'm good.
Because I was already sweating. And I didn't feel anything. Oh.
Oh no. You can't get it open fast enough.
Oh, my eyes are watering.
For such little like, jalapenos or whatever they are. So that hit hard.
Damn, my nostrils are like open now. I can breathe.
I can breathe clearly now. The heat is in.
don't think whole milk did the trick. I think you have to drink whole milk. More.
Let's do some more. We'll put
It's
it
coming back again.
I told you, comes and goes.
I don't think that was as bad as a jalapeno.
No, that shit was bad.
So we should do this with James, but turn off the water. Take out all the drinks from the fridge.
Oh,
We should do that. I feel like that would be bomb. He wouldn't have a choice.
that would be funny.
It's messed up. I get mad too. I'll start knocking on people's door.
Dude, that would be so funny. You would have
Emily,
to, wait,
Ty,
the only water you have is Molly's water. You should do
Oh,
that.
No, I'll start knocking on people's door. I'll be like, yo, hey, I just had some hot jalapeno.
They'll
Please.
think you're crazy as shit. I'll let you.
They're like, oh my god, get away from me.
Call the firefighter. I'm about to be DED.
DED.
That was good.
Oh, we should get a ghost pepper, bro.
I'm
I think there's stages to like the ghost pepper. It's like you first go into a coma.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Looks like there's stages with this one too. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
For more awesome content.
Yeah.
And now we're going to get into the drawing for the winner of the Ride-On LED Accelerator light from Small Direct Club.
See.
Alright, drum roll please. And the winner is Jessica Charles. Woo! Alright, thank you guys again for watching.
And click the bell button.
Keep it on the
And congratulations again to Jessica for the Ride-On Accelerator.
keep it on
Thank you
the
guys.
low.
Good night.
Bye.
My size coming, go. Keep it on the low.